I hope this necklace isn't too shiny for my mama. I should probably get her some flowers too, just in case. It's been like 12 hours since I got her flowers. Freeze! You nigga. There's nobody behind. Get on the ground now. What did I do? I feel endangered. I think I'm gonna shoot. Okay.
Come in, Officer Shiesty. Are you okay?
Everything's all good. I got me one of them violent boys. So, he's all captured. Don't worry about it.
I've heard that violence is their first choice, so be careful.
10-4. Now, there have been a bunch of random stabbings in this area. And while you don't match the description, you're gonna have a real hard time convincing me that it ain't you, boy. What? No, I just want to buy some flowers for the best mama in the world and watch. Shut your goddamn monkey mouth. You ain't gonna be seeing your mama tonight. Hello, officer. Why, hello there, upstanding citizen. Thank you guys for protecting us from these heathens. Waste, filth, gutter trash. I support our blue, and I'm glad you guys are keeping us safe from evil. And we appreciate law-abiding citizens such as yourself. Now you continue to live safe and free under our protection. Yes, officer. Thank you. Thank you for all you've done. Oh, well, hey there, little guy. Don't call me little. You know, folks like yourself need to take note from a fine, law-abiding citizen like him. Where did you and your people go wrong? Folks like yourself deserve to be in a body bag or in prison locked away forever. And I have no problem putting you in either. But don't worry, we're gonna help you get to one of those destinations one way or another.
Yeah. First I started floating, but not nowadays I levitate. I've been in the gym, I'm pushing weight, I'm like a heavyweight. I need silent money for the record, let me set it straight. All I know is go finesse, I'll teach you, let me demonstrate. You ain't talking about no money if you think that shit can flow. Graduated, but you